Okay, on this walk in the park, I'm going to do lots of close-ups, very, very close to just about everything, and then zoom back so you can see it in context. Walk in Forest Park. So here is a pine cone, and getting up close to pine cones shows the unique way they've been designed to drop out the little seeds. And also getting up close to the pine tree's bark gives some interesting detail. Also going to get up real close to the pine needles on a pine tree, see what we can discern. A lot of times you go for a walk, you don't get up close to stuff, and that's the idea here. Walk in the forest park by getting up close to the items that we might have missed. Now we're getting up close to the bark of an oak tree to see the difference between the barks on the trees. Just getting as close as I can here. Now we're going to get up close here to the acorn that came off of the tree. See what we might not notice. I noticed that this one has been eaten, so I can turn it over. You see the squirrel or the goose has gotten into it. This kind of eating it, kind of muddy though. I threw it in there, but it got kind of muddy. I'm taking it out of my hand. Here's another one. I'm sitting down and I'm going to see if they'll come up on my lap here. See, here I am. We'll see here. Here they come. There's one over here. I don't know if they come up or not. Here, come on up here and get it. Come on. Come on. Come get it. Come on. Here you go. Come on. I got this one here. Here you go. Come on. Almost came up my lap. I'll put it up here. Watch this. So he's right on my legs now. See if they come up and get it. He's going down to get a drink of water, I think. And this one here is looking at it. She didn't come up this close. Come on. Come on. Come on up. Come on. There he goes. Right up on my lap here. It's right here. It's right here. Come on. It's there. Come on up. Come on. Come on up. Come on. Come on up on my lap. Come on. You can get it. These are the same 3 ducks that have been out here every time I come over to Murphy's Lake. There they are. Sometimes they get in a little squabble about it. I don't have any more bread left, so we'll see if they they're still fighting about it. There they go. I'm out of bread, so they left me alone now. Okay, now these are buds, some kind of flowers coming on this tree, a tulip tree or whatever they call it, I don't know, but You can get in, I can get in pretty close to these. And they're just not quite opening yet, but let me see, get over this one here. Yeah, they're kind of trying to open up. This is March 16th. Here, look at it, right up next to the camera. Come on. Can you come in? Get right down at their level here. Well, you can see there. So there they go, back to the water now. But they came right up and ate right on my hand. Alright, and so here are some daffodils. Get right in close on them. And so here we're going to get up close to the circles on the bark, of the trunk of the tree. And you're supposed to be able to count, I think, each of these rings and then tell how old this tree was down to the center. And then there's these tiny little white flowers that are all over the forest floor. I'm not sure what kind they are, but they're beautiful. Now back out, you can see how little they are. When I get up here, that's how tiny they are there. And I started this walk from the St. Regis. This is our logo on one of the door handles here.